Hey Zach, I know you're recording. Just keep it up. Because there was one time in the last game, Zach put it at the ground for like 30 seconds. Go, guys! Oh, wow. Well, we just said that. I hope you need a Pittsburgh fan. He said about this one. Let's go, you gotta go! We just did that. Go! Get there! Come back, Gabe! So where am I on? Third? Neither at my end.
Guys, I want you talking to each other, okay? You're not going to be able to do a lot of stick on you, okay? One move and shoot. There you go, see? You guys got to shoot.
You know, the one who always misses. Yeah, I know. I'm kidding. His name's pretty good.
Second line, get ready.
Yes, second
Get your gloves on. Good job.
Who, me?
Good job.
Oh, well, I'm just ready.
Here, Christian, put these on. Put these on.
Harder, Rob, harder. Come on, Gabe. Go.
Shoot it!
You got time, you got time.
Peel off him, peel off him. Stay on him, Josh, stay on him, stay on him, Josh, stay on him.
Push it to the boards, push it to the boards, push it to the boards.
Not too bad, hold it. Play that ball, guys. This guy pretends. Okay, you guys get it out. Stop at the top, okay? Joe, got the shooter. Drake, you got the shooter. Hard, 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 hard. He's shooting, he's shooting, he's shooting.
Good shoot. Block it.
There you go. Hard, Rob. All right, meet him at the front. Let's go, Rob. You stay back, Rob. There you go.
He's always going to shoot when they're offsides.
Meet him at the line. Let's go, boys.
Come on, Ryan, hustle!
Come on, speaking shoes. You can hear his shoes is running. Come on, speaking shoes.
I was doing like a sound.
Hard, Rob, hard. Hold them. Hard, Rob, hard. Steven.
They pushed him right
Pushed
down.
him. How can it be interference when he
He went for the ball and he pushed it right down.
It's not interference.
I have one hand on my stick.
Two hands, get up.
Chris. Rob, you alright?
Shoot, Rob.
Yeah, I'm good.
You got too many.
And you have too many.
Rob. We need a shooter. Come on, guys, let's go. Need some defense out there.
Let's go, Avalanche. Let's go. Put one in.
It's okay, calm down. Come on, Vinny, you gotta bring this back. Bring it back, Vinny.
Go, Vinny.
My words of inspiration.
Yeah, you got one hard, Rob. Beat him. You got two hard. Take advantage of it. Yep, let's go. This is not gonna work. Stick down, Vinny. Go, stick down. We need some movement out there.
Vinny, don't go in the box. You're not
It's not a
smart.
penalty, no.
Not anymore.
Vinny. Hey. Matt. Go. Someone stop. Round. Around. Go, Vinny, go. Someone go. Good, go on. Power play is not going nowhere. No. No movement on the power play. Out. Come on. Get it, Dan. Shoot, Rob. Stop! Whoa!
Dump it. Get it.
Go, Vinny. Go, Matt. Come on, guys. What's the other side? Go. Shoot it.
Dump it.
Guys, come on. No ice. You guys can't try to take that shot. Come on, let's go. Good, you're gonna break.
Come on, get up.
Matt. Yep, go get it. Started pushing. Not even the ball, it's just straight body.
Let's do it back. Someone dealing with the ball? Let's do it right back to him.
Sit him up. Come here. Come with me. Put your hand over your head. Slow down.
Right there.
Come on, Gabe, let's go! Let's get some shots off, guys! Stop trying to shoot! Guys, we're not shooting. A lot of stick handling out there.
How you Adam? Good job, Adam. There you go, Adam. Good job.
Stay with him, man. Stay.
Oh, good block.
Good. So good. Come on, Christian, come on.
Get there.
Look. Gotta get your head up, guys. Come on, guys, move your feet. Let's go. Two hands. Come on, Christian. Two hands on the stick and move your feet. You guys gotta move your feet.
Defense stay or?
Defense off. Keep two hands on the stick. Continue to move your feet, okay?
On that.
He got truck
You guys stand up, get some air in your lungs. You sit down, you're not getting no air. Stand up, get air in your lungs.
Where's my bottle?
Oh, it's not here. I was helping.
Okay, look for those spots, not to his pads. He's not moving. Not in the middle. Corner. Guys, the Cody's standing right here. Try to get in his corners, okay? Not to his pads.
It's the defense guy.
Oh, you gotta start shooting. You never get the opportunity to shoot. That's why I said that.
We gotta move our feet, guys, okay? You gotta move your feet.
Yeah, I have to.
Chris, come on up.
Hey, just watch out the back from that.
Bobby, stop. Be careful. If he goes up, you come back, eh? Guys gotta make it even. One up, one back.
That one.
It's all right, Joe. Relax. Take a deep breath. We're good. Hey, move over, Drake. Move over.
That a boy.
Play, Rob. Hey, other side, Luke.
Hey, Josh! Over!
Go, Joey.
Get those hand warmers.
Shoot it.
Passer, you go, Rob. Passer, go. That's it. Stay on it.
Look up.
40.
That's it. Move back, move it.
Come on, Ryan.
Over. Jump it.
Drake. Look. Shoot.
Yeah, exactly.
Everybody off.
Nice
Good move. Good move. Way to go. You got to move the ball and run. Okay? Good on. Good on. Way to go.
Show.
You got to move the ball and move. Take those shots, man. Take advantage of it. Let's go. Let's go. Stay with him, Matt. There you go, Matt. Stay with him. Yep, good body. Yep, got a step. You got a step. Beautiful. Good. Come on, man.